I love it. It's just a little cutesy little bag. Oh, here's the bag here. I do like the hardware so far. Oh, it's cute. I don't like silver hardware per se. Oh, look at the strap. Now this is the strap that I love. So it's got the suede on the front and then it's like leather on the back, which I think is very good because I'm thinking about like if something's on your shoulder and kind of like body oils and stuff like that. So I like that they didn't make it completely smooth. It's stuffed really good. I'm thinking that these are coming. Last time I ordered something from the outlet, I'm thinking this came from the actual Coach site and that they've like merged because I haven't ordered from the outlet in years. So yeah, oh, and it comes with a dust bag. So yeah, this is definitely a boutique. This is a boutique bag, but I wasn't sure if it was shipping from the outlet because it said outlet on there. It was on the outlet side for the discount. So at least I think that, yeah, that's where it was. But anyways. So this is the bag right here. Just has a little Coach right there, which I love. That's what I love about the boutique bags. It's like that Coach is not, unless it's that big C, it's not all in your face. So it does have the detachable pouch, which I think is really cute. Little wristlet. You could probably wear this as a wristlet. That's cute. Anyways, it's that closure right there. But yeah, this is the actual color of the bag, which I like. I don't have anything this color, so let's see where we strap it at that. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I'm 5'4", and this is where it lands on me with the second notch, but I kind of like to wear my bags like this. So the 21 is a perfect size for me to. Now I feel like I want to go change my outfit so I can wear this bag. One of the things I like about thrifting is that it allows me to splurge on other areas like handbags. I did get this handbag at a really good price. I'll show you guys. I got this at a really good price for $118. Now, something I don't like is how the strap, like, I don't like that part. I feel like that part is kind of, is weird. Does that look weird to you guys? The strap kind of like hanging like that. Anyways, this is the Coach Bleecker size 21. So I thought I would show it to you guys. Just came in, just landed on my doorstep. This color is sea brass. It got marked down. It was regularly $2.95. So I love this color. I think it's really pretty. Felt like it's really nice for spring, summer, or just whenever you want to wear it. I mostly probably wear it like this, kind of like this. And this is one of the bigger bags because I have like, most of my bags are little. So this one is really cute. I love it. It's just a little cutesy little bag. So yeah, they have it in a larger size in the olive, but it does have the little clasp here. And yeah, this is really pretty. I am gonna treat it before I wear it. I'm gonna put like some apple guard on there, so I need to order that from Amazon. I'll probably do that before, so I don't want this to get any stains on it. So let's see. Oh, let's see if it has any pockets on the inside. Okay, so it does have this one pocket here. Oh wait, is that? Oh, it unbuttons. Okay, so there's a pocket right there. I know this looks like a little endless hole here, but here, that's where the pocket is. And then so all in all, I thought it was a good deal to have a pop of color. I think it's nice. What do you guys think about the bag? Let me know. I know a lot of people ordered this bag in the various colors and styles. So yeah, so I think I don't really order a lot of bags anymore. I just kind of get what speaks to me kind of thing. So I haven't been, I think I only got like 4 bags last year, and then I'm getting rid of some bags as well. So yeah, downsizing. I'm just keeping bags that I actually am gonna wear, get some use out of. So yeah, because I have a couple bags I have not worn in my closet. But anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. This beautiful bag, this is really pretty. Yeah, I think the quality is good. So far, so good. I love that it has a clasp on it, because that's good. Now it's got me thinking if I should get the olive one for my mom. I feel like she would like it. I feel like it would just be such a cute little bag for her. And anyways, thanks for watching. Adios.